All right, today I want to quickly show you how you can quickly get data out of Veculim. So you'll notice that in most of the forms, most of the screens that we have, there's this little button at the bottom called the SendTo button that will allow you to take whatever's in the list and send it to Excel, form, Excel, HTML, PDF, Word, print it, email it, etc., etc. So you can do that. So we can click that quickly, and then it'll export all these clockings to Excel. And let me just quickly show you that. So we flip over to Excel quickly, and there it'll show you the list of all the things, and it'll give you a total at the bottom. But that's useful, but it would be much more useful if we can subtotal per employee, because I want to see each employee and how much they've done for each day, or how many hours they've worked in each day. So what we can do is, let's just flick over to Veculim quickly, is we can sort by employee, but then we also want to sort by date as well. So I would hold down my control and left click, and then it sorts by employee, and it adds a second sub sorting by date as well. And then I can send that to Excel, and then what it will do is it'll group all the employees' clockings together and the days' clockings together and give me a total for each day. So let's just quickly nip over to Excel again so we can show you. And so there it's given me employee one's total for 22nd is 2 hours and 39 minutes. And for the 23rd, it's 8 hours. Then it goes to employee 2. It gives me 2 hours because there's only one record there. But then for the 23rd, it's got 3 records, and it subtotals that for employee 2's clockings for the 23rd, etc., etc. Plus, it gives me the grand total of all the clockings that we had for that particular date range that we have. Now, that applies to any screen in Veculim. So you can go to any screen, and you can go to quotes, and you can say, okay, right, let's send a sort by customer, and we are going to, and we can filter by date, or we want to just see the finalized quotes, and I want to sort by that and group by that. You can send that to subtotal it, anything like that. Also with the jobs all, so any data that you want to get out, you just get whatever's in your list here, and order it by you want to, and then you click the send to button, and you can export to PDF or email it to your boss or your foreman or whoever the case is. And that's just a very powerful way of easily getting data out of your system very quickly.